Hello, business owners. In the next 1 minute, I will explore the significant benefits of SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, for SEO. Number 1. Enhanced security. First and foremost, SSL provides enhanced security. It encrypts data between your website and visitors, ensuring a safe browsing experience. Number 2. Improved search rankings. SSL is an SEO ranking factor. Search engines favor secure websites, giving them a boost in search results. Number 3. Trust and credibility. The padlock icon and HTTPS in the URL reassure users that your site is safe. Number 4. Data integrity. SSL ensures data integrity. It prevents data from being altered during transmission, which is crucial for e-commerce and user trust. Number 5. Mobile friendliness. SSL is essential for mobile friendliness. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites, and SSL is a crucial part of that. In summary, SSL is not just about security, it's a boost for SEO, user trust, and mobile optimization. Secure your website today for a better online presence. Stay tuned for more SEO insights. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on other platforms as well. Links are in the description below.